Good day and welcome to today's presentation titled Part 1, Structure, the Basic Building Blocks. It is the first of a series of SlideShare presentations aimed at guiding the viewer not only in establishing a business in a legally compliant manner, but also to guide and pave the way for the business to grow. It is proudly brought to you by Schoeman Law Incorporated, a boutique law firm based in Cape Town, South Africa. We proudly serve the needs of the entrepreneur. For more information about us, please watch our About Us video located at www.schoemanlaw.co.za. My name is Nicole Schoeman. Thank you for this opportunity to present to you today. I'm an attorney of the High Court of South Africa, conveyancer, notary public, and mediator. I specialize in all aspects of commercial law, broad-based black economic empowerment advice and planning, the drafting of wills, and estate planning. I'm also the managing director of Schoeman Law Incorporated. I hold an LLB, LLM, and postgraduate diploma in financial planning. Please note that this presentation and its slides are copyright protected. Accordingly, this presentation and its slides are only being shared today for educational purposes, and it does not constitute legal advice. Should you require legal advice, or if you're interested in learning how today's topic could be impacting you or your business, feel free to contact us for consultation. Our contact details can be accessed at www.schoemanlaw.co.za. Please navigate to the Contact Us page for more information. The Companies Act 61 of 2008 provides the regulatory framework within which companies are to operate in South Africa. Since its inception, it has also introduced a number of different types of companies that could be registered in terms of the Act. It is also not a simple set of regulations. The practical outcome of this is that many businesses feel overwhelmed by the thought of having to comply, or they simply avoid complying. Naturally, this is not a favorable situation from a risk aversion perspective. Therefore, we recommend a few simple steps are taken by businesses. First and foremost, register your company with the CIPC. As I've said, a number of different types of companies exist, so it's important to pick the most suitable one. For example, if you are focusing on making a profit, a private company could be a good place to start. Or if you have an existing operation registered in a foreign country, perhaps an external company could be the most suitable operation. If your focus is not on making a profit, on the other hand, you could also register a non-profit company or not-for-profit company in PC. Once this is done, a crucial step would be to register or update your Memorandum of Incorporation with a more suitable version. This is a crucial company document regulating a number of different relationships within the organization. It regulates the relationships between directors themselves, shareholders and directors, between shareholders, between them, between the company, external stakeholders, as well as key role players, including company employees. Therefore, important that this document is carefully constructed, and furthermore, it also deals with the aspects regarding decision making. How are decisions made? How are meetings called and run? Which decisions require what amount of support? Once this is done, it's important to file the document with the CIPC and thereafter to enter into a shareholders agreement the minute there's more than one shareholder in the company. Similarly, a very important document regulating the relationship between the shareholders themselves during the tenure of the agreement as well as after. As such, it deals with exit, planned or due to unforeseen circumstances changing, such as long-term illness or death. Furthermore, it's important to obtain the necessary key person insurance. This is a type of insurance that allows for a buyout on an unforeseen eventuality occurring. As I said, for example, long-term illness, perhaps even incapacity or death. Once this is done, it's important to engage the team, the people that will be supporting you in driving your business forward. As such, it's important to see which employees need to be engaged, either on an indefinite or in a fixed term basis, or to see whom can be engaged on an independent contractor agreement. These agreements are distinctly different, particularly in the sense that an independent contractor is free to work for a number of different organizations and not confined only to one. It is therefore important to strategically and legally determine the best way of engaging your team and to do the necessary. Once this is done, the most concluding important aspect to consider is the aspect of managing your cash flow. Particularly when you're starting out, managing cash flow is crucial to the survival and ultimate growth of the business. Therefore, it's important to align your consumer credit provisions, in other words, the timing on which you're willing to take payment from clients or customers, to the timing when you need to pay your suppliers. At this point, this is more of a negotiation and a planning exercise than anything else. Once these aspects are in place, you should be in a really good position to pave your way forward to business growth safely and hopefully to ultimate success. Thank you for joining us today. We would love to connect with you. To use any of our online legal solutions, please go to www.skumanlaw.co.za, where you'll find a range of different agreements there to pave the way to your ultimate success business. Should you wish to consult with us, please feel free to contact us as set out below.